So hey guys, welcome back. It's your guy boy Keys. Apparently, it's officially our first time of buying a USDT of not buying of selling on a P2P exchange. So I'm gonna be dropping some steps and what we noticed on the Binance exchange platform. Kindly bear with my background noise. So apparently, when we bought this USDT, the vendor responded the vendor responded sharply. They gave us his response was quick, so we got credited. We bought. I'm going to show you opening my calculator now and do the analysis here. So his price for USDT on the sell page was 519. So we wanted to sell 8 USDT. So that is times 8. So this is the total money that we were supposed to get credited on our platform. So uh, on Binance it was written that we will be charged 100 naira for transaction fees. That is for vendors transaction fees, 100 naira. So because of that, you remove 100 naira from it, and we got credited 4,052 naira. That's what we got credited. So if you are a beginner, you don't know what Binance is all about, you can try the P2P exchange. If you have questions, I'll be there to answer you. So we just after you've gotten your alert, make sure you test your alert to know if it's a fake alert or if it's a real alert. So what we did initially, we tried buying. There was no much airtime on our phone, so we just bought recharge card. We bought airtime. Then what did we do again? We made a transfer, so we got debited and credited. We got all the debit alerts. So that was proof of the fact that the money was in our account already. So Binance usually gives you 15 minutes to confirm your transaction that you've gotten it. So all things being equal, you should be able to do these verifications quickly as you can, because I think there might be I think there's usually, I don't know if there's a penalty for not completing your transaction, unless maybe you have network issues or so. So that's what we noticed. But for the verifications, Binance itself will tell you that you need to make sure that you've gotten your payment. You need to make sure it's the payment that you got is in your available balance. So you can use your mobile app or so, you get it. Then also you what again, I think and also you also need to confirm. You wait. It's only when you've gotten your alert, that's when you wait. That's when you confirm that you've gotten the alert. So unless the vendor has done his own part before you can complete your own part. So the vendor even tried calling us because we delayed a little bit, but we were able to do it as soon as possible. So I would have loved to show you guys the alert, just that because of some credentials here. Don't know. Let's see how possible it is. So on my screen here, you see the time that these messages came. So one came from 1722, the other one was 1717. So Binance usually sends you a verification code for you to confirm each transaction that is going to take place on your account. So once they send you those transactions, those confirmations, that's how it usually works. So guys, if there's any question, there's anything, we'll be dropping more uploads on more transactions we carry out on a peer-to-peer exchange. So apparently it's safe. There's no CBN ban. This is a way to bypass CBN ban. I'll be dropping a link in the description box below, so you can get access to our Binance if you want to register on Binance and start trading on Binance. You can buy some portion of cryptocurrencies and hopefully you get a return on investment once the price goes up. But mind you, disclaimer, cryptocurrency trading is usually very risky, so you need to do your own research to be safe. So guys, thanks for watching. It's don't forget to subscribe, drop your comments. I'll be there to answer you if you have any questions, and I hope this experience gives you courage to push through with your cryptocurrency journey. One love, guys. Keys.